Here we go. The roof. We started on that edge. On the bottom, both of these sides were damaged, and so we told the insurance company it's not going to be done. We're not going to just patch the roof. We had to go all the way up to here to where the ridges are. You never finish a roof when you tie in an old roof, which is that side, and that. See, as this part here, the roofing coming from this side. What he did is after we finished all the wonderful, all the old plywood, we changed it all. But so here we go with the last sheet up. You can start from the bottom up, and he went over the ridge. The ridge is the high point of the roof. See that? So there it goes. And then the other side, now they can come up over this one and lap it, and then you get a cap. But this is the old. Here's a better example of the old roof. You can see this one goes over here, and then the other sheet is going to go lap over, right over it. All right. Looks almost like the same color back there. So this chimney here, see, as you can see, it's cracked. This is part of the problem in the leak. So here we are. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.